Hey, thanks for watching today's video. It's Jeffrey Howells Carpet Cleaning. We are located at 7609 Southeast Overland Street, Milwaukee, Oregon 97222. And I can be reached at any time with any carpet cleaning concerns that one may have at 503-939-0534. And if you are looking for any professional rug cleaning in the area, we are the best in Happy Valley, experienced, certified, licensed, and insured since 2004. Give us a jingle if you need anything.